Hi, I'm Kate from SewCraftCook. Today I'm going to show you how to use the metal studs or press studs that come in your sewing kit. You'll need to use a double thread to sew your press studs on, so take about 30 inches or 75 centimeters of thread. Make a good knot at the ends. And we'll start at the back of our fabric. Make sure before you go to all the trouble of threading that needle that your needle actually fits all the way through the holes in the stud, because they're quite tiny. This is the top of the stud and that's the back of the stud. And it matches up with this side of the stud, and that's the back there. So make sure you sew the right way around first. With a stud, we don't crisscross like we do with a button, we actually go behind the little hole, do a little stitch, go behind again and out through the next hole. Stick close to the stud. I'm obviously using a contrasting thread so you can actually see what I'm doing, but clearly if you're sewing a garment, please use a matching thread, and then you won't see all your stitches. A couple of times for each one should be enough. Give it a little test. Yep, that's nice and strong, so we just go back through to the back of our fabric. It's kind of important on the back to use the matching thread, isn't it? Do a little stitch underneath the fabric. Make sure you're behind the stud. Leave a little loop, pass your needle through the loop, and that will help you tie a knot. Do that a second time. Through the loop. Oh, make sure you get both of those threads in. And then snip off your thread. Then we sew the other side to here. Make sure that the hole coincides with this one. At the base is facing down. You sew your second one on exactly the same as you do the first one, and then that pops into that.